In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from the team on Basecamp. Removing a person from your Basecamp team is a useful way to keep your account organized and secure, especially when someone leaves a project or your company. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. Let's start by opening Basecamp in your web browser and signing into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project where this person is currently a member. You can do this from your home screen or projects list by clicking on the project's name. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct project, since you don't want to accidentally edit the wrong team. Inside the project, look for the area where you manage people and permissions. This is usually labeled something like People or Team within the project menu. Go ahead and click that to open the list of everyone who's currently part of this project. You should now see all the people assigned to this project, including team members, clients, or contractors. From here, you want to move into the section where you can edit users. Look for an option that allows you to manage or edit people on the project. This may appear as an edit link or a similar button near the list of names. Click that to open the user management page. On this page, you'll see more detailed controls for each person. Find the specific person you want to remove from the team. Take a second to double-check that you've selected the right individual, especially if you have people with similar names. Next, click the highlighted option that controls their access to the project. This might be labeled something along the lines of Remove from Project, Remove from Team, or another clear removal option, depending on how your Basecamp layout looks. Once you click it, Basecamp may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this person. Confirm your choice to complete the process. After confirming, the person will no longer appear in the project's People or Team section, and they'll lose access to that project's messages, to-dos, and files. It's a good idea to quickly scan the team list one more time to make sure everything looks correct and that only the people who still need access are listed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed someone from the team on Basecamp.